Hi, welcome to Hindware Tech. In this video, we will see how to link Hindware Smart Appliances with Amazon Alexa. First, install Hindware Smart Appliances app. Register yourself, add product, and connect it with Wi-Fi. If you don't know how to connect your product with Wi-Fi, then check out our previous videos. Second, you should have your account in Alexa app in your phone. Third, now open Hindware app and go to option menu and select third-party voice integration and click on Amazon Alexa option. Then Alexa integration page will open where you have to select appropriate options. Now, login page will open where you have to enter your Hindware account email ID and password for verification. If you forgot your email ID and password, then you can reset your password from Hindware app login page. Now fill your Hindware login credentials and click on Login. It will take few seconds to verify your login credentials. If your login credentials are correct, then your Hindware Smart Appliance will be linked with Alexa and you will see this page with congratulations message. Now you can control your appliances with Alexa.